High Park is the biggest park in Toronto, about 400 acres. Located on the west side of the city, it stretches from Bloor Street all the way to the lakeshore. May subway access ito sa High Park Station at Keele Station, so madali lang puntahan. The High Park neighborhood itself is bordered by Bloor Street west sa north, Roncesvalles Avenue sa east, the Queensway sa south, Ellis Park Road sa west. Ang park mismo ang puso ng community na to. Ito na ata ang isa sa pinaka-iconic na labasan ng subway sa Toronto. Paglabas mo, nature agad ang sasalubong sa iyo. High Park ay hindi lang park o destination, isa siyang community. Every spring, thousands of people come here for the cherry blossoms. Ang mga punong ito ay regalo ng Japanese ambassador noong 1959. They usually bloom around late April to early May. One of the top spots for hanami or flower viewing in the city. Kapag full bloom, parang cherry blossom festival. Ang daming tao, may picnic, may photoshoot, may mga wedding shoot, may mga vlog shoot. Pero kahit off-season, maganda pa rin ang park. Inside the park is a small but charming High Park Zoo. Open since 1893 at libre pa rin hanggang ngayon. May llamas, deer, capybaras, emus at peacocks. Perfect for kids at first-timers. Ito yung capybara dito. Ayun. High Park also has its own restaurant, Grenadier Cafe. It's a popular brunch spot, especially on weekends. You'll find families, cyclists, at mga seniors relaxing after a walk. Small green tea.
But it's partially.
Kung brunch ang hanap mo, dito sa Grenadier Cafe. Simple food, ang dami ng serving, tapos ang daming upuan sa labas. Parang stopover pagkatapos mo mag-jog or maglakad. Deep inside the park, may isang bahay na mukhang galing sa storybook. Colborne Lodge. Built in 1837, ito ang dating tahanan ni John George Howard, ang architect na nag-donate ng buong lupang ito sa city. On one condition, na hindi ito ibebenta at mananatiling bukas para sa lahat. In short, ito yung dahilan kung bakit may High Park ngayon. Imagine, binigay niya to sa city ng libre. Gusto lang niyang maging open space para sa lahat. Just north of the park is Bloor West Village, a family-friendly walkable shopping strip with bakeries, cafes, and European delis. Dito mo makikita yung mix ng Old Toronto at New Canadians. Hi. I'll just get a butter croissant. Ang charm ng Bloor West Village, pwede kang bumili ng tinapay, prutas at bulaklak sa iisang block. At ang mga tao mismo dito, parang may kanya-kanyang kwento. The homes around High Park are mostly from the early 1900s. Mix ng Edwardian at Victorian-style houses. Usually 2 to 3 story detached or semi-detached. May mga bay window, brick facade, wood trims, at minsan may attic pa. Many have been restored or modernized. Pero yung bones nila, matibay at matanda na. Today, most of these sell between 2 to 4 million. Depende sa size, location, at kung updated na ang loob. Ang ganda ng mga bahay dito. Parang luma sa labas, pero luxury sa loob. Pero itong mga to, mga bahay ng mga working class dati. Edwardian and Victorian style. Yan ang uso noon. Tall ceilings, front porches, at may garden pa. Pero ang tanong, afford mo ba? On the eastern edge of High Park is Roncesvalles Village, a Polish-rooted neighborhood na kilala for its small businesses and community feel. And right in the middle of this is the historic Revue Cinema. Bukas pa rin ito simula 1912. So almost 110 years nang nagpapalabas ng pelikula dito. Ito ang pinakamatagal na sinihan na nagpapalabas dito sa Toronto. Walang IMAX, walang reclining seats, pero kung community vibe ang habol nyo, dito yon. Dito ka makakapanood ng mga indie films, classic movies, at mga local film festivals dito sa city. Maliit siya at may history. Buhay pa rin hanggang ngayon dahil mahal siya ng community. High Park isn't just a green space. It's a part of Toronto's identity. Pinagsasama ang nature, history, and community in one place. For newcomers, for long-time residents, for anyone who just needs a break, it's always been here. Sa daming lugar na pwede nang puntahan, minsan nakakalimutan natin kung ano na ang nandyan. Pero High Park is proof na may mga lugar pa rin na hindi kailangan baguhin. Kailangan lang alagaan.